What one?
The one that you just hit.
I think mine might be... Oh. I think my car is a little bit faster. Beep beep. Let's park you in the driveway. Did you run off somewhere?
Well, I mean, I did. I didn't know where you went, so I'm here now. A lot of thirst. I'm a thirsty fella. Ooh. My head just got all weird.
So just completely stop by it.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, get in. Do you have a chainsaw?
No, why would I have a chainsaw? I'm just on drugs.
Looks like you had a chainsaw. Stop that. I know there's a lot more to do, like crafting wise. I just don't remember, or not remember. I just don't know how to.
Should I really be driving like this?
You're not driving.
I'm driving.
Oh, you got out.
Oh, I'm not drunk anymore. Don't worry about me.
On the road again.
Oh, this is new for me.
Talking about them barns.
Oh, there goes my car. Stuck in a tree.
Yes. I ran down a deer. 69. Hunger. Loaded deer.
Hello, Mr. Impressive Tree Leader. How can I help you?
Where are you?
Believe. Well, on the map it says it's Charlottetown. It's by the campground. Except not.
Are you at a barn? Or is it a town?
It's a town.
It's a town.
Yes. That's why I believe it's Charlottetown. Magnum. Fascinating.
Does it have a fire station?
Diner post. Let me keep looking around for a fire station.
Because I just drove down the main street.
I think I hear you.
I just found a purple truck that's on fire.
Is it in a tree?
No, it was...
Oh, hello.
Woo!
I hate you.
I'm not sorry. That was fun.